Hi there. In this video, we're going to go through how we can set up a social media feed using a plugin on the website, and we're going to replace this current social feed, which is using an iframe. While iframes work in some instances, we found that many times they get blocked by various browsers and security settings. Because they're pulling in content from another website, they can pose a threat if there's malicious content embedded in the iframe. Of course, Facebook does not fall in that category, but it can still get blocked by some browsers. So we're going to go through, and the first step is to go to the back end of the website here by clicking on the name of the site in the upper left hand corner. And we're going to scroll down until we see Facebook feed. If you're using the Instagram feed option, then you'll see that as a separate tab. But in this case, we're going to highlight with the Facebook option, and the setup is pretty much the same for either of them. Once you get to Facebook feed, you'll see this interface right here, and you'll see the option to add new. What we can then do is, typically you want to select the timeline. That's the most common type. If you want to highlight others, you may run into the fact that it might not be in the light version, which is installed. You might need to upgrade to Pro, which usually means a subscription cost. But in this case, timeline is the most common, and so we can proceed with that. We'll click Next, and then it's going to give us create a Facebook feed, select a source. We're going to click on Add New, and it's going to redirect us to Smashballoon. That's the developer of this particular functionality. And then here you'll select the source type. So on Facebook's you have things called pages. The most common that you might have set up for your school is a page, but you might also have a group. So depending on which one you want to connect, select that one in this step. The most common one, again, is the page. You'll usually have what's called an organization or a business page set up on Facebook, and it's managed by various users. So select page, connect a Facebook account. Here's where you click on it, and it'll ask you to log into Facebook. Once you've done that, then it'll actually connect. You can uncheck this option if you don't want emails from Smashballoon or Facebook. And once you've connected it, it should redirect you back to this page on your website, and then the social media feed is going to show up right here. From there, then you'll be able to actually embed the feed. Wait for that to load. So you'll be able to get to this page, view the feeds that you have set up, because you can set up multiple feeds, and then you can grab an embed code and place it on the actual page where you wish it to go. But the most important part is linking up your Facebook or social media account using this plugin, and then the rest is pretty simple to do. You can reach out to our website support team if you want us to finish up the process. It's just that the part that is easier for you to do is to connect up the Facebook or social media account that you want to embed on the site. So that's really all there is to it.